All right, so hey guys, in the interest of making quicker videos, what I've done is I'm violating my number one rule, which is never do a selfie with your cell phone. But instead of getting all the camera crap out here and all that, I figured I'd just do this one real quick because it turned out really, really well. As you recall, it's probably been almost a year now that I put up this Harbor Freight cabinet. I would not make a good weatherman. This Harbor Freight cabinet, tool cabinet on the wall, to make it part of my quasi outdoor kitchen out here. You know, my grill and all my stuff out here on the porch. That installation went well. It's still hanging up there. Everything is working out great. But it's a pretty wide cabinet. I wrote down the dimensions. It's 47 inches wide, so it doesn't necessarily fit everywhere on the bricks where between the windows. So what I had to do over on this area was I had to buy something a little bit smaller. So this cabinet here is from Amazon. It bolts into the brick just the same as the others. And by cubic inches, it's only about 300 cubic inches less than the Harbor Freight. But I do like it because it opens up, right? Has a little gas shocks to lift the door. And right now I just got it filled with a bunch of this Blackstone tools and stuff. And I finally just today put up the second one, so that one's up there as well. Let me show you. They give you they put 8 keyhole holes into it. Sorry, my hands are all chewed up from working, but they don't always work out. You're trying to hit the mortar lines, so I had to, down here I made my own holes just so I could hit the mortar instead of drilling holes in bricks, which is a bad idea. But overall, this assembles so much easier than the Harbor Freight. I mean, the number of screws and little parts is so much less. The only thing I will say is it does come with, actually comes with gloves, and it comes with a screwdriver that is this size. And the reason it's so small in diameter here at the handle is because of when you're working with it, you're working right up against the side of the cabinet on the inside, so it's kind of a pain. However, there's no leverage with this screwdriver. I highly recommend, if you're going to buy this unit and put it together, use one of these type of screwdrivers that has the ability to bend. I don't even know who made this one, but that'd be Allied. But it has the bend in it, and it also is ratcheting, so that made it go a lot quicker. But all in all, put the whole thing together and got it up in, I don't know, I guess about an hour or so. So now finally, well, we're a long way from having a real outdoor kitchen, but at least we've got some cabinets out here and some cooking tools, and it's not going to be, every time we have a storm, I end up having to collect things off the lawn. So hopefully we won't be doing that anytime soon. And then we'll talk about what I got planned next, but I don't even want to talk about it because if I don't do it, then you won't be looking for it, and I won't have done it, and then I'll seem less lazy. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next one.